You click this video because you are so eager, you have that ambition to do well in the next JAMB examination or the upcoming JAMB examination. So now, but there's something you need to understand here. Now, the total population, the numbers of students who are coming to write JAMB, they are divided into two major categories. Now, we have what top 20% of students, and we have what we call bottom 80% of students. So you are either at the top 20% of students or bottom 80% of students. Now, let me give you a rundown here. Now, the top 20% of students are students who score 200 and above. They are the one that score 200 and above. While the bottom 8% of students are students that score below 200. You understand? Large majority of students are what bottom 80% of students. So if you really want to stand out among those students, really among the top students that score very well in JAM, then you have to checkmate if you are in the bottom 80% of students. If you are among the bottom 80% of students, they have to move yourself to what top 20% of students. Now from that top 20% of students, you have to move yourself to what top 4% of students because top 4% of students are the students that score the highest score, like 300 and above. Do you understand? So I'm going to give you the characteristics of what bottom 8%, and I'm going to give you the characteristics of what top 20%. From there now you cannot move yourself to what the top 4%. Do you understand? But it comes with what? It's hard, it comes with the price. Do you understand? So what are the characteristics of bottom 80% of students? This is where you don't want to be. So where I'm talking about is where you don't want to be because this is where large majority of students are in. You understand? Number one, no inner drive. Now, students that are in the what bottom 8% of students don't have inner drive. They don't have that strong passion. They have that strong determination. Do you understand? They don't have that strong drive to succeed. Now, many of them, the course they are going for, they are not the one that pick that course. It is really picked by someone for them, or there's someone going for that course they pick because they don't have that determination. There's no burning fire. Just and that is why they are so lazy. If you check this bottom 8%, that they are very, very lazy. So if you know that you don't have that strong drive, you yourself you know when you have that strong drive, you know. When they have that strong drive, you also know. Just so number one is what no inner drive, no lack of they lack passion and they lack motivation. They don't know why they are going to school. You understand? That is what number one. Number two, procrastination. The bottom 8% of students procrastinate a lot. Now they know that they are supposed to study, they know that they are supposed to get a book, they know that they are supposed to get that CBTR, they know that they are supposed to buy that math textbook or that physics textbook. They have the money, they will procrastinate it. They know that they are supposed to they know that they are supposed to start their study today as they are watching this video, but they will not start their study. They know that they are supposed to be in a private class, but they will not do it. They know that they are supposed to pay the money to start the class, but they will not do it. They procrastinate it. Just and these are people that don't know what they are doing at all. They procrastinate a lot. Number three, they are so distracted. These people are always on social media. They're always gossiping. They're always doing things that will not contribute to their success. Just and they start very late. Now, number four, they think that they have enough time. These people think that they can just prepare for jam in 1 month and they pass. Now that is what I believe. Do you understand? So they think that they still have enough time, so they are not taking that study serious. It is when they have wasted their jam, when there is about 1 month before they start paying. This is the reason why they are scoring low in jam. They are what bottom 8% of students. Now, number five, which is the worst, they think that they can read by themselves and pass. Just if you have that mentality that you don't need anybody else to pass, then you are in the bottom 8% of this of students. Do you understand? So are you in the bottom 8%? Be serious with yourself. Look at the comment section. If you are among this people here, look at the comment section. So now that you have known the characteristics, the behavior and the characteristics of the bottom 8% of students, now let's move over to what characteristics of what top 20% of those students, and this is where you want to be at first. Just so your main aim is to have this characteristics here. If you know that that here is for you to want to cultivate them. So what are the characteristics here? Number one, they have strong drive to succeed. That they have that strong passion. If you see somebody that really want to succeed, you see it in his behavior and in his action. Just they have that strong passion, that drive, that determination to succeed. That was number one. Number two, prompt action. These people know that they need to start now and they don't procrastinate what they are supposed to do. They know that they are supposed to get a textbook, they get textbook. They know that they are supposed to structure out their study plan, they structure it out. They know that they are supposed to study on a constant basis, and they study on a constant basis. They know that they are supposed to get a mentor or tutor or someone that will be of help to them, and they get it. They know that they are supposed to put so much time in their study, and they put just and they never procrastinate. Now they are so determined that they put all their efforts. That was number two. Point action. Number three, they believe in themselves, they believe that they can succeed. Now, one of the trait of bottom 80% is that they don't believe in themselves. But the top 20% is that they believe in themselves. Just that they believe that they are going to succeed. That was number three. They believe in their ability. Number four, they are total focused. They are not distracted. Unlike the bottom 8% that are so distracted, they'll be on social media. They are so much distracted. But the top 20%, they are not distracted. They are total focused on what they are supposed to achieve. They know what they want. They know the work they are supposed to give. That are supposed to that give them what they want, and they get it done. That was number what four. Number five, they are willing to go the extra mile. Just that they are willing to go the extra mile. So what are the extra mile? They are willing to put in the extra time in their study. They are willing to what get the extra test. They are willing to get the extra. They are willing to go sign up for an online class that they know that's going to be of help to them. They are willing to what, get a personal coach or personal tutor that will tutor them. They are willing to pay the price. Just so this is where you want to look like. This is where you want to be. Now, because these are people that really score very well in JAMB examination. These are people that score very high in what JAMB examination. So now let me ask you, where are you? Are you in the bottom 8% or you are in your top 20%? Let me hear from here. Now, for those of you who have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe because more of this video will come coming up. More tutorial video will coming up about math, chemistry, and physics. Now, if you have not joined my online class, or you have not joined our community, please, we have a community of students. We have a community of students who are eager to pass their JAMB examination. Just now. So to be part of the online class here, there's a link at the description below or at the comment section that you can use to join the group. Just and if you want to be a personal tutor, I'm always 100% available for me to be your tutor. Just on math, chemistry, and physics. So I'll pay you very well. This is one of the main reasons why I'm here, to be of help to you, to guide you, and to lead you to the right path. Just see you in my next video.